Hello there. It's me, Elon Musk, and today I'm going to give you some tips on how I would make money online in 2023 if I wasn't already rich. As a visionary entrepreneur, I'm always looking for new and innovative ways to create products and services that will change the world. In order to make money online in 2023, I would leverage the latest technologies and invest in the latest trends in online content and social media. Here are a few specific ideas that I would explore. One of the keys to my success has been my ability to create products and services that people really need. I've done this by leveraging the latest technologies and finding ways to use them to solve real-world problems. For example, I created SpaceX to make space travel more accessible and affordable, and I created Tesla to accelerate the transition to sustainable energy. In 2023, I would continue to explore new technologies and find ways to use them to create innovative products and services. Some areas that I would focus on include AI and machine learning. As these technologies continue to evolve, they have the potential to transform a wide range of industries. I would look for ways to use AI and machine learning to improve everything from healthcare to transportation. Quantum computing. Quantum computing has the potential to revolutionize computing power and speed. I would explore how this technology can be used to create new products and services. Augmented reality and virtual reality. As these technologies become more advanced, they have the potential to change the way we interact with the world. I would look for ways to use AR and VR to create new experiences for consumers. Another area that I would explore is creating my own cryptocurrency. With the rise of blockchain and decentralized finance, the world of digital currencies is only going to grow in the coming years. I would create my own digital currency, maybe call it Muskcoin, and make it a key part of the payment systems for my companies. By creating my own cryptocurrency, I could offer a fast, secure, and decentralized payment system for my customers. I could also use Muskcoin to incentivize certain behaviors, such as participating in beta tests or referring friends to my products and services. Video streaming is huge, and I would create my own video platform, something that rivals YouTube. I would focus on creating original content, from educational videos on science and technology to funny cat videos. And of course, I would make sure that my videos are easily shareable across all social media platforms. I would also invest in other types of online content, such as podcasts and webinars. These formats allow me to share my knowledge and expertise with a wider audience, and they offer a more intimate and engaging experience than traditional forms of media. Social media is another area where I would focus my attention. I would make sure that my companies have a strong presence on all the major social media platforms, from Facebook to TikTok. I would create engaging and informative content that keeps people coming back for more. I would also use social media to connect with my customers and fans. By responding to comments and messages, I could build a loyal following and create a sense of community around my products and services. Finally, I would create my own online marketplace, a one-stop shop for all things Elon Musk. I would sell everything from SpaceX memorabilia to branded Tesla accessories. I would create a seamless shopping experience that makes it easy for people to buy from me directly. By creating my own online marketplace, I could offer a unique and personalized shopping experience for my customers. I could also use this platform to test out new products and services before releasing them to the wider market. So, there are many different ways to make money online in 2023. As a visionary entrepreneur, I would leverage the latest